Social networking. A network is defined as a group or system of interconnected people or things. It is like an invisible thread which connects you with your family, friends, and relatives. In the computer world, network refers to the group of two or more computers connected by physical or wireless connections. You must have heard people use the terms like a social person, a social butterfly, etc. A social person or being social is often used for those who like to be around people or who are friendly with everyone. They like to go to parties and spend time with people. When we combine the two terms, social and network, we get social networking. It refers to a website or web-based application through which one can create a profile and get acquainted with other users. These sites let us create profiles and maintain personal and professional relationships online. Social media, on the other hand, is a means to communicate and share information with a vast audience through websites. You can publish images, videos, etc. and attract followers. The purpose of such sites is to create buzz and curiosity among the public directly or indirectly. Some examples are YouTube, television, and newspaper. Let us understand the different types of social media with how we post or write messages on the different apps. You are making a sculpture. You want to let people know about it. This is how you will post your message on different apps. Twitter, I am making a sculpture. Facebook, I like sculptures. Quora, why I am making sculptures. YouTube, this is a video of me making a sculpture. Instagram, this is a photo of my sculpture. LinkedIn, my skills include sculpture making. Facebook. Facebook is an America-based online social networking service. It was founded by Mark Zuckerberg on 4th February 2004. It was open for people in 2006. It is the biggest social network worldwide with approximately 2.6 billion monthly active users. You can connect with your family and friends and share your photos, status, interests, videos, links, and much more. India leads the tally as the biggest user of Facebook with over 280 million monthly active users. Some important features of Facebook are: you can organize your preferences and list according to your likes. The left pane of the Facebook window displays the different categories, activities, interests, and events. You can create groups. This feature is mainly used for advertising and selling the products online. The seller can directly connect with the members who liked your product. It has added some new features such as watch party, search, pages, live, saved, units, scheduled posts, filters, etc. You can send messages through Messenger. Messenger is a handy feature to chat with people. You can do video calling, share files and links, and send emojis too. You can check your login location where you are logged in. This feature lets you find all your active Facebook logins from any device. You can even restrict some people or friends from seeing your post. This helps to maintain privacy. With the help of Download Your Information, you can own a personal copy of everything you have ever shared on Facebook. Creating account on Facebook. Step 1. Open facebook.com in your browser. Step 2. If you have an account on Facebook, you can directly enter your email and password in the boxes provided and click on the Login button. Step 3. If you are a new user, fill in the details such as first name, surname, mobile, password, date of birth, gender, and then click on Sign Up button. Step 4. Enter the code received on your mobile phone into the box. Press Continue button. Step 5. A list of your friends on Facebook according to your contacts on phone will be visible. You can add them here. To add them later on, click on Next button. Step 6. Your Facebook account is created. You can also add your profile picture. The main menu bar of Facebook is given below. Your profile ID, home screen or main page. Click here to search for your friends on Facebook, create pages, ads, events and more. Friend request received. Messenger for chatting. Notifications. Quick help with Facebook features. Find groups, ads on Facebook, activity log, news feed, settings, log out. Twitter. Twitter was launched in the year 2006 as a social networking and microblogging site. It was created by Jack Dorsey, Noah Glass, Biz Stone, and Evan Williams. It was released by an American company, Odeo. It is designed for sharing short updates and messages. These messages are called tweets. The tweets are limited to 280 characters only. In Twitter, you follow people or organizations which share similar academic and personal interests. You can create your own Twitter feeds. You can also retweet the posts created by others. If a tweet is liked by a lot of people across the globe and it gets many likes, shares and comments, it is said to have gone viral. Tweets can be anything: pictures, links, GIFs or videos. By default, the tweets are public on Twitter. This means that anyone can view the tweet. Creating account on Twitter. Follow the below steps to register with Twitter. Step 1. Open the twitter.com website on your browser. Step 2. Click on the Sign Up button. Step 3. The Create Your Account pop-up box appears. Enter your name, phone number or email address and date of birth. Click on the Next button. Step 4. In the next screen, again click on the Next button. Step 5. Review the details that you have entered. Then click on the Sign Up button. Step 6. It will prompt you to enter the verification code received either on your phone or email address that you have entered. Click on the Next button. Step 7. Enter a password for your account. Remember, a password should be. Step 7. Enter a password for your account. Remember, a password should be minimum 8 characters long. It should be a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and some special characters. Step 8. Upload a profile picture from your device, or you can skip this step by clicking on Skip for Now button. Step 9. Write something about yourself in brief in Describe Yourself pop-up box. You can skip this step also. Step 10. Next, select the languages you speak and mention your interests by selecting the options available on the screen. Click on the Next button. Step 11. Now you can select from the suggestions to follow people or organizations on Twitter. You can follow your favorite sportspersons, actors, scientists, researchers, etc. Step 12. If you want to get notified when these people post any updates, click on Allow Notifications. Step 13. The Twitter homepage will open. Step 14. To start tweeting, click on the Tweet button. You can also post your comments or send a heart as a like to any tweet posted by others. Quora. In the year 2009, Adam D'Angelo and Charlie Sheaver co-founded Quora. It is a question and answer site where anyone can ask a question and people answer. It provides high-quality answers written by different users who share a common interest. Quora is a platform to ask questions which interest you. You can also create social networks and follow topics that interest you. To answer a specific question, you can also post pictures related to the answers if needed. Quora is a user-generated content created by users and for users. The users vote for an answer that provides the most accurate information. This highlights the answer, and other users can also benefit from this. You can ask questions related to education, studies, or even a simple method to solve a sum or question. What you cannot do on Quora: you cannot argue on any topic or raise a conflict. You cannot promote business ideas or market your products. It is not a forum to express your views or share your thoughts. Questions which are poorly phrased or are not appropriate are not entertained on the website. You can create a Quora account on the website Quora.com. Then follow the different steps to create your account. Skype. The concept of Skype was introduced by Nicholas Zennstrom and Janus Fries in the year 2003. It enables the users to talk face-to-face on video call to friends and family. You can use it to organize office meetings free of cost. Using Skype, you can communicate with a person residing in some other country. To call on Skype, you need to have a Skype account. It has features like video call, voice call, and instant messages. You only need an internet connection. Skype uses a technology called Voice over IP or VoIP, which sends your voice inserted into the computer via microphone over the internet. Skype can be used to join an online meeting, conduct an interview, online classes, and you can connect with anyone from anywhere with Skype Web. You can host or hold a video meeting or audio conference with a maximum of 50 members at one time. You can also record your ongoing meeting or call, can have live captions and subtitles like a movie or just chat. The key features of Skype are as follows. Skype translates the conversation in real time if the person is talking in a different language. It is a safe way to have conversation with people without any interruption. You can share your screen to train someone. It has live subtitles option. This helps a hearing impaired person to keep up with the call. To use VoIP service of Skype, follow these steps. Step 1. Download the Skype from the www.skype.com website and install it on your computer. Step 2. Double-click on Skype icon to start Skype. Step 3. Click on Sign In or Create button to create an account on Skype. The Sign In screen appears. Step 4. Click on Create One link. The Create Account screen appears. Step 5. Enter your email and click on Next button. Step 6. Enter a password and click on Next button. Step 7. The Skype asks you about your personal details such as your name, and it also asks you to upload your photo. Then click on Continue button. Step 8. Skype further asks you for checking your microphone and webcam. Click on Continue button each time. The Skype welcome screen opens. Step 9. Click on Contacts tab to add your contacts to the Skype account. Step 10. Click on Contact button to open Add a new contact dialog box. Step 11. In the Add a new contact dialog box, enter Skype ID of your friend or search using phone number. Step 12. To make a call on Skype, select the person from the Contacts tab. Step 13. Click on Call button to make a voice call to the person. Step 14. Click on Video Call button to make a video call to the person. E-banking. The technology has paced many steps. We can now transfer money online from one bank account to another. In earlier days, checks were used to transfer money. It took 2 to 3 days for the clearance of checks. If checks were spoiled, mutilated, and lost, then the transfer took more time as a fresh check was required again. With e-banking, you can transfer funds easily from one account to another through computer, laptop, and even your smartphone. ATM facility is also a part of e-banking, where you can withdraw cash from any of the ATM machines and the amount will be debited from your bank account automatically. E-banking is useful for bankers as well as customers. The bankers are benefited by way of less transaction cost, reduction in fixed infrastructure cost, reduced paperwork, less chances of human error, customer loyalty and satisfaction. The customers are benefited by way of convenience of banking, lower cost, no geographical restrictions, reduced chances of fraud. Modes of payment. All the e-commerce websites provides various modes to make payment of the product or service that you want to buy. Some of them are as follows: debit or credit card. E-commerce websites allows us to make payment by using our credit or debit card. We make payment by using the debit card, which will be debited from the bank account. We must have a sufficient balance in the bank account to complete the transaction. In case of credit card, we are provided with a credit limit by the bank which we can use to purchase products. To avoid the online fraud, each credit or debit card has a 3-digit unique secret card verification value (CVV) number on the back side of it. Now, bank also sends a one-time password OTP on your registered mobile number to verify the authenticity. Net banking. We can directly use the bank account to make payment online. Every bank provides a unique customer ID or net banking ID and a PIN to each customer of the bank. With the help of the customer ID and PIN, customer can make payment while purchasing the products from e-commerce websites. Similar to credit or debit card, an OTP is received on the registered mobile number in case of net banking. E-wallet. E-wallet or electronic wallet refers to a digital wallet that is used to make payment online. We need to add money from the bank account to the e-wallet before using it. Most of the e-commerce websites provide their own e-wallet. Some banks also provide e-wallet to their customers. Some third-party organizations also provide payment support to their customers. Google Pay, Paytm, PayPal, BHIM, PhonePe, and Airtel Money are the most commonly used payment service providers. PSP. Cash on delivery. COD. Cash on delivery. COD. Most of the e-commerce websites allow us to make the payment by cash while receiving the product at your residence. News group. In online community, news group is the title given to a discussion group. A news group focuses on a particular topic. The topic is of general interest of all the participants to the news group. All the participants put up their comments or views on the topic as well as on the comments or views of other participants. In this way, a discussion on a topic is done. Generally, there is one person known as news admin who manages the news group. The news admin keeps a check on the comments of the participants. He decides when to stop a discussion as well as approving the comments or articles before they are posted on the news group page. Blogging. Blog is a short form of web blog. which refers to a website where new information about any topic is updated regularly. The latest posts appear first. The term weblog was coined by an American blogger named John Barger in 1997. It is like a journal where you write about your life and thoughts. It is more like a personal diary which is shared online publicly. The text is conversational in style. Blogging. Blogging is the act of writing and maintaining a blog, which includes photography and other media that are self-published online. Readers of blog can also comment. When more readers comment, the blog becomes more popular. This made blogging a new type of online business venture. It can also be used for marketing a business or product. Blogs are popular because they are free, easy to access, and you can also contribute by commenting on the content. A blogger is a person who owns a blog and keeps it updated by posting new posts, experiences, opinions, stories, news, perspective, etc. Anyone can become a blogger. You just need to create a blog and update it regularly, either part-time or full-time or simply as a hobby. Difference between a blog and website. Website is a collection of static pages such as home page, contact page, profile page. On the other hand, blog contains both pages and posts, but mostly posts. Websites usually don't change regularly as blogs do. Blogs are based on the idea of orderly release of new content to attract crowd. Blogs are written in reverse chronological order. That is, recent post on the top of the page followed by older posts but up to the oldest post. You must have already heard about different kinds of blogs such as travel blog, fashion blog, food blog, music blog, fitness blog, sports blog, movie blog, news blog, and many more. To create a blog on Blogger website, follow these steps. Step 1. Open www.blogger.com website. The home page of Blogger website appears. Step 2. Click on the Create Your Blog button. This will open sign-in page of Google. To register yourself with Blogger website, you must have a Gmail account or you need to create a new account. Step 3. Enter your email address and then click on Next button. Step 4. Enter your password and then click on Next button. The Create a New Blog page appears asking you to enter the title of blog. Step 5. Type title in the given text box and then click on Next button. The next page asks the address for your blog. After entering the address, click on the Next button. The next page asks to enter the display name for your blog. After entering the display name, click on the Finish button. Step 6. Click on New Post button to start a new post. This will open the post screen. Step 7. Enter title of the post. Step 8. Type the content of the post. Apply suitable formatting options. Step 9. Click on Publish button to upload the post on the blog. Cloud computing. Cloud computing is a way of storing, assessing and saving your work online. Instead of saving it on your computer or your smartphone, you can think of it as a hard disk over the internet. The users can access files and applications anytime and from any device with an active internet connection. Cloud service includes database, networking, software, storage and servers over the internet in a seamless way. Individuals and companies can rent or buy cloud storage from a cloud service provider instead of owning and maintaining the complete computing infrastructure. This saves them the operating costs and problems associated with maintaining their own infrastructure. The idea of cloud computing was introduced by the scientist John McCarthy. He introduced the term time sharing, which would enable the organizations to share a mainframe computer. But the term cloud computing was coined by Professor Ramnath Chellappa in the year 1997. In 1999, the first cloud computing services websites were launched, Salesforce.com and Google. All the social networking sites such as Facebook, LinkedIn, MySpace, Twitter, Netflix, Skype and WhatsApp use cloud computing. In fact, all your personal data, photographs and other details that you share on these websites are saved on the cloud. Google Drive, Amazon Web Service, Dropbox, OneDrive, etc. are some examples of cloud backup services where you can save and keep your data secure. Alexa and Google Assistant are natural language cloud-based bots. A bot is a software program that can do repetitive tasks over the internet. Examples are chatbots, social bots, Googlebot, etc. Benefits of using cloud computing. Some benefits of cloud computing are cost-effective, eliminates the capital cost of maintaining computing infrastructure, speed and flexibility, allows faster access of resources from anywhere across the globe, ease of storage. It offers unlimited storage space, relieving the user from the worries of running out of data storage space. Users do not have to worry about backups. It allows co-workers to easily share files and communicate with each other. Data security. Cloud offers advanced security and reliability features to the user for their data. There are many authentication, access control, and encryption measures which do not allow unauthorized access to sensitive data. Risks of using cloud computing. Some risks of using cloud computing are: your sensitive data might be at risk from hackers. Some people might face issues like data loss. The user is always dependent on the internet. So, if the user is unable to connect to the internet, he or she cannot access their files and data. OneDrive. OneDrive was launched by Microsoft in 2007. It was also known as SkyDrive. OneDrive is a cloud file storage service. This cloud-based service gives the users a space to store and share documents. When a person is working on multiple projects, he or she have to deal with loads of files. These files occupy a lot of disk space on the laptop or desktop. The person might even want to access the images and documents from his or her mobile, iPad or laptop. OneDrive helps to reduce the clutter from the desktop and access these files to edit or read wherever the user is. This internet-based storage platform by Microsoft offers 5 GB free space to the user with Microsoft account. Windows 10 users have OneDrive as an inbuilt feature into their computer. To use the services of OneDrive, you must be registered with the Microsoft's website. To access the OneDrive, follow the below steps. Step 1. Click on the Start button. The Start menu appears. Step 2. Click on the OneDrive app. The Microsoft OneDrive window appears. Step 3. Enter your email address registered with the Microsoft website and click on the Sign In button. Step 4. Enter the password and click on the Sign In button. Step 5. The address of the OneDrive folder of your computer appears. Click on the Next button. According to the next steps, click on the appropriate buttons. Finally, you will get OneDrive folder open on your screen. If you want to save a file or folder or document to OneDrive, drag the files into OneDrive folder. If you are working on some files in OneDrive folder, and you are offline, OneDrive will automatically update the cloud files when you go online. Next time, you do not need to sign in again. To access the files or sync local files into OneDrive, open File Explorer. Open File Explorer. On the left pane, you will notice a cloud icon named OneDrive. Click on the icon to view the files in OneDrive. But if you want to see the files or folders on the cloud, right-click on the file and select the View Online option. You can create an account on OneDrive and store your work there. OneDrive helps you to share files or folders stored in it by a link sent through an email to the person you want to share. RSS, really simple syndication. All of us search the internet for so many things every day. We visit some sites regularly. RSS tracks this information and regularly sends you updates whenever the sites are updated. RSS is used to organize your favorite blogs, movies, news, images, etc. in one window. Before RSS, the user had to visit each website and check for updates. This led to spending a lot of time if no new updates were found. With RSS feeds, you save time. It fetches the updated web feed or newly published information from the website or blog directly to you. So, you do not have to search for updated information again and again. RSS is a collection of web feeds which could be headlines, music video, blog entries, etc. To enable RSS, you must first subscribe to content from multiple sources like YouTube and blogs. RSS feed handles these notifications easily in an organized manner. Web builders use feeds to segregate fresh content from their websites and web surfers. RSS may also be referred to as RSS feed, RSS channel, RDF feed, XML feed, Atom feed. Atom feed. Starting RSS feed. RSS feed is represented by a small orange symbol. If it is on a website, click on it and subscribe to the relevant feed. This icon can be located at the extreme upper right-hand side of the website or at the bottom of the website with other icons. You can also type /RSS in the address bar after the website name. You can subscribe to the RSS feed of your choice to read. Podcasting. The process of making digital recordings, audio or video that are available for downloading is called podcasting. It is a free service that allows users to download media files using internet. These media files that can be downloaded from the internet are called podcasts. The term podcast is made up of the combination of two words, iPod and broadcast. Some of the popular websites that provide the podcasting service are https://itsamonkey.com/ and http://revisionisthisstory.com and http://revisionisthistory.com.